For centuries, the snow leopard has been this phantom of the high Himalayas, a ghost. But now, for the very first time, India has pulled back the veil with a really groundbreaking national census. So today, we're going to break down the numbers, the immense effort behind them, and the complex story they tell about the future of this absolutely iconic big cat.
I mean, just look at this incredible animal. It's perfectly adapted to its rugged, frozen world. And its nature is so elusive that it earned the nickname Ghost of the Mountains. Seriously, sightings were so rare they were basically myths. It left us all wondering just how many of these phantoms were actually roaming India's vast Himalayan expanse. Well, until now.
And this is the number that changes everything: 718. For the very first time, we have a scientifically solid estimate of the snow leopard population in India. And let me be clear, this isn't a guess. It's the result of one of the most ambitious wildlife surveys ever conducted.
So how in the world did they pull this off? Well, it all comes down to a massive, coordinated scientific effort. It was called the Snow Leopard Population Assessment in India, or SPAI for short. And what makes this so important is that for the first time ever, a systematic, nationwide effort was made to count these elusive cats. This is a true landmark moment for conservation.
And when I say an unprecedented effort, I really mean it. The numbers behind this survey are, frankly, staggering.
Okay, just try to wrap your head around this. Teams covered over 120,000 square kilometers. That's more than 70% of the snow leopard's potential home in India. We're talking about an area bigger than some countries, and it's some of the most remote and difficult terrain on the entire planet.
And this chart here shows us exactly where these cats are living. You can see the huge majority, a whopping 477, are in Ladakh. But the populations in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh are also really significant. Having this kind of data is absolutely crucial for targeting conservation efforts where they're going to have the biggest impact.
Now, to get that data, survey teams walked, on foot, over 13,000 kilometers looking for signs of snow leopards. Can you even imagine trekking that distance through some of the world's most challenging mountains? And along the way, they set up nearly 2,000 camera traps in all these strategic spots. It's like having thousands of eyes deep in the mountains watching day and night.
Those cameras were running for a combined 180,000 trap nights. That generated this huge library of images, and from all that data, scientists were able to individually identify 241 distinct snow leopards, which then helped them calculate the final population estimate. It's this incredible mix of old-school fieldwork and cutting-edge tech.
But, counting the cats is really just the beginning, because knowing where they live also means understanding where their world collides with ours.